Why would I lie? Come on. Oh, you want to slow down? Trying to get me killed? I'm talking to my ex-wife.
Which one?
Honey, I left you 100 messages and checks been in the mail for 3 days. No, I'm not mad. This is not mad. This is mad. When I'm like this is mad. This is not mad. Fuck.
You know, you need to be more sensitive to her needs, because women have different needs than we do.
What are you reading, Cosmo lately?
Hey, look who's talking. You're the one with the 3 ex-wives.
Hey, which means I got laid 3 times, which is more than I could say for you, Father Neil. I'll tell you the truth, I'm surprised you're not getting laid that much. I mean, you're in great shape. I mean, probably they make vegetables different where you're from, huh?
What are you talking about where I'm from? I'm from Florida.
I need some, you know. Maybe you give me some of that gin thing, that dick juice stuff.
Ginseng. There's a van. Can you believe this? Looks like a damn cop convention.
Amateurs. Real farmers. I got a thing about farmers, you know.
Come on, get the lead out, asshole. Where the hell you two been? You're supposed to be helping me get these shipping orders ready.
Car trouble. Billy boy here thinks oil's only for salads and hair.
Yeah, well, just get to work. Boss is coming in this morning. I don't want anything going wrong.
When's he due?
Soon. What the fuck is it to you?
I just want to make sure he notices what a good job we're doing.
Well, you just do your job, or I'll notice. And you know what? You won't fucking like that.
Hey, Roland, look what I found. Isn't this your old flame?
Hi, Roland.
What the fuck are you doing here? You know what? I ought to kick your fucking ass.
Bruno sent me for some stuff. Just a small bag. I don't bring any back. He's gonna do this to me again.
Hey, what do I care? Just because we fucked once don't mean you can come crying to me. Look, I ain't no nickel pusher no more, okay? I'm bigger. I'm much bigger here.
Please.
Yeah, all right. Give me $50 and I'll let you have some just for looking so fucking pathetic.
This is all I got.
Get the fuck out of here.
Neil, we gotta wait for the boss before we make our move, okay? All right?
Please, baby. We could work it out somehow. Like before.
Yeah. Sure. Me and April, we'll go in the back and give her the stuff.
No.
No?
Never.
Never? Well, give Bruno my best, okay? Is he still crushing beer cans on his head?
Roland, she's only 13 years old.
Baby, 13 is my lucky number.
April, honey, come here. Now, you be Mama's good little girl. And you're gonna go with Roland. He's gonna give you what we come for. And you be nice to him now. And remember your manners.
Come on, April. It's all right. Don't hurt you. Come on. That's okay. We'll have a really good time together, you and me.
Hey, Roland, maybe this isn't such a good idea right now.
What's it to you?
I just don't want something to go wrong and make the rest of us look bad.
Get the fuck out of my face, asshole, or you will take her place, and I won't be as nice with you.
All right, we're on it. I got the trucks rolling. What the fuck is wrong with you, huh? Been taking this guy's shit for 8 months? Roland's gonna do to this girl what he was gonna do to the girl anyway, all right? And when the boss shows up and we bust this fuck, You bang his nuts through his asshole. I'll say he slipped and fell. Okay? Okay?
We'll move.
Cover me.
Are you all right?
Oh, I'm not all right. I was just... God, am I all right?
Good thing you had your vest.
Move it. All right, come on, get out of the car. Out of the car, now.
Right there, right there.
What now, DEA man? Huh? What now?
Just relax. We can work this out. Nobody needs to get hurt.
You shut the fuck up. I'm doing the talking here. I'm the one who tells you how it's going to be. You understand that?
Absolutely.
Drop the gun.
That's not gonna happen, Roland.
Drop the goddamn gun!
I can't do that. You know it and I know it. So let's move on to item number 2. Escape.
Damn right, escape. Escape or she ends up flank steak on the coroner's table tonight.
Okay, here's what we're gonna do. You get in that car by yourself, and I'm gonna let you drive away.
Just like that?
Just like that.
You think I'm a fucking idiot, asshole? That's against cop policy.
There is no policy right now. Just you and me doing some business. You get to live, I get the girl. Fair trade.
Bullshit, man. I do not trust you.
You have to. I'm not letting you leave here with her.
How much did we lose?
About 200 G's worth of our new human growth hormone. Our best steroids.
We lost one of our biggest distributors, right?
Yeah.
Uncle Paulie, look. You don't have an excuse. When I promised your father that I would take care of you, I had no idea that you'd be such a pain in the ass. Uncle Paulie, look. She was a fitness instructor. I thought I could make a new connection.
We're trying to get laid.
Your big mouth almost got us all busted. Maybe a little prison time will be good for you.
Make a man out of you.
Oh, I'm a man, musclehead. No, not yet. When your father lost his life, it was because he wasn't careful. Now, you're gonna lose something. Uncle Paulie, don't. Please, I made a mistake, all right? I promise it'll never happen again. You understand, don't you, kid? This is for your own good. Just leave me alone. No, Uncle Paulie, please, please. No, don't! No!
Good time while you're here in L.A., Doc. But when you finish with the business, I don't want to see you in town.
Clay, come on. Hey, Clay, let's go. Come on, man.
God damn. Get your pants on.
You still to get out of here, girl.
It was a late night, you know?
Hey, Clay, come on. Let's go. Clay. Get out of here, girl. Hey, Clay, Mr. Loverboy, let's go. Come on. Clay. Clay, quit farting around. Let's go. Come on.
Take your time.
Shut up. Hand me the phone.
Smooth.
I wonder how many more screw-ups before Paulie starts whittling your dick.
Yeah, well, he promised my father he'd make a man out of me.
When he's done cutting on you, you're gonna have enough parts left over to make one from scratch.
Just forget about it. There's enough
Hey,
left
shut up.
over.
Yeah. I want to make a report of death. 1212 Mallard Avenue. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. Sure. Mother frickin' Teresa.
Come in.
Hey, Chief.
Where's DeMarco?
He's sick. He's got the, flu.
Take a seat, Menari.
I got hemorrhoids.
This is Regional Director Walker, Agents Babbage and Pope out of D.C.
Yeah, I'm popping a pup tent already.
Menari!
Well, maybe you and your pup tent would like a month of unpaid suspension, my friend.
Friend? Number one, we ain't friends, and if we were, I'd tell you to change that tie. Number two, boss, what do I look like, an asshole? Think I don't know you want me to go under? And if you're gonna come in here, don't have that fucking attitude with me.
I'm gonna let that slide, Menari. Maybe I was a little harsh, considering what you and your partner just went through. But we've got ourselves a red ball.
You know, they got cream for that.
And we've got to stop it fast. And we need someone with your reputation.
So, what's the product?
Powerful new growth hormone, unlike anything we've ever seen. Increases muscular growth and athletic performance at 3 times the rate of any steroid on the market, legal or otherwise. Unfortunately, it's very addictive. Jacks up the heart rate like a freight train rolling by, until the heart literally shakes itself apart.
We've had some high-profile deaths lately.
Yeah, I heard. That pro wrestler, what was his name? Bullbuster, some...
Ballistic, he was one of ours.
Oh, so he was an agent?
He was a snitch, but he provided us with enough information to follow the supplier all the way back to former East Germany.
Oh, so you want me and my partner to go in where you guys already fucked up?
That's what you get paid for, isn't it?
No, that's not what they're paid for. What they're paid for is act responsible for the public benefit. And I'm not convinced they're fit for this assignment.
Well, if they're scared because someone got killed...
Yeah, I'm scared. But not because somebody got killed. Because you guys screw up. And I'm not too comfortable with that.
Listen, now what will it take to clear these men for reassignment?
I'll have a departmental shrink give them an evaluation. If she says they're okay, then they're yours.
I'll need an answer tomorrow. Let's go.
Jerk-offs. I called. He's not home. He's probably down at the shelter spooning soup for the homeless.
How noble.
Yeah, he does that. He's terrifical in those ways. Hey, let me tell you something. This guy is clean. This house, for instance, this is sewer, not septic.
Look, for DeMarco to remain on active duty, department policy requires an in-home evaluation. If he's not here, he can start planning his vacation.
Hey, DeMarco's one of the straightest arrows on the force. He's very respected.
It's not his integrity that's being questioned. It's his emotional stability.
That's completely understandable. Emotional. I guarantee you his elevator goes to the top floor.
It's what we find when the door opens that interests me. I hear music, and there's a light on in the back.
Well, turn the knob and walk in, and tomorrow we teach you how to put your own shoes on. I'll tell you another thing about Neil, Doc. Very spiritual. You might not know that. Reads a lot. And I'm not talking paperbacks. I'm talking hardcore, hard books. Big, 300-400 pages, no pictures, no sex. Not that he don't like sex, but, you know, not like weird stuff. You know what I mean? I mean, listen to the music.
Doc, violin partita number 1.
Number 1, huh? I was thinking number 2.
Your partner has very eclectic taste.
Yeah, he tells me I smell good a lot.
Well, they're obvious reproductions. But still, they're quite good. And they're not cheap.
Hey, look. DeMarco is the guy your mother would want you to marry, you know? He's so honest, he don't take free advice. This guy's got an 8-inch scar across his chest. You know why? Because he stepped in front of a guy that wanted to put an 8-inch scar in front of my chest where my heart would have been. You understand? So if you want to go in and see if he wets the bed, that's one thing. But don't question his integrity.
Look, I'm not here to bust his balls. But I've been hearing some very disturbing rumors about DeMarco lately, even before what happened. Reckless behavior, needlessly endangering himself. Now that kind of thing sends up a red flag in my profession.
You need to get the bolts tightened in your neck. Bungee jumping, that's reckless. You know, another thing I didn't tell you about Neil, he's, doing a little remodeling and, yeah, could use a few nuts and bolts, like the ones in your neck I was talking about. Hey, look, Doc, the guy's stressed out. He was in a shooting, okay? I mean, this is good. This is normal, right?
Read my report in the morning.
I'll tell you. I love what you've done with the place.
Who was she?
Angel of Mercy. Hey, look. They want us to go under again. Something big. Career maker for some department mutt. Just another grave digging job for us.
What's the matter? Losing your taste for the job?
Yeah, maybe. Maybe it's gotten to the point I don't like walking with a grenade in my pocket, waiting for somebody to finger us and pull the pin. Maybe there's some other options.
Yeah, like what? Security guard at Sears?
No, maybe we pass on this one, you know? Do something else. Maybe go down to Florida, huh? Get a boat.
I got that girl killed, Dave.
That is bullshit.
If I just stayed undercover, not gone off like some damn cowboy, she might have got hurt.
Hey, look, Roland is a maniac. He would have killed her anyway.
I need this case.
You need this case. All right, you need this case. I'm with you.
Observations indicate a deep neurosis that without treatment could develop into a dangerous psychosis. I suggest he be reassigned to desk duty until a more thorough psychological evaluation can be made.
How you doing, Doc?
I'm finishing Agent DeMarco's report right now.
This will only take a minute. Chocolate.
A bribe? How quaint.
Try the one in the middle. It's nice, creamy.
What is this? Just what do you think you have on me? Some indiscretion when I was 18 years old?
Doc, I think trying to overdose on sleeping pills is more than an indiscretion, but hey, you're a professional.
Look, it wasn't a suicide attempt. I was just depressed, and I didn't think that it...
Look. I'm not here to judge you. I just need you to do the right thing, that's all. Enjoy the chocolates.
Who is it?
It's Dave, fuckface. Open up.
Come on in, it's unlocked.
Hey, what are you doing? I just stopped by to give you this stuff. You know. So, what's going on?
Why don't you shake the place down and make you feel any better?
You gotta break my balls. I'm not allowed to look around.
What you're looking for is over by the clock.
When are you gonna stop this lost weekend routine, huh, and get rid of this?
It's a reminder.
A reminder of what? You went on a binge for one weekend. That doesn't make you drunk.
It's not the drinking I want to be reminded of. It's what started it.
All right, look. Mr. Fun. Me and you are getting out of here tonight. We're gonna go over to Dantana's, eat Italian, have a few laughs. I'm buying, okay? Come on, let's get the fuck out of here.
Dantana's, huh?
Yeah.
You're a regular Diamond Jim Brady lately.
Yeah. Don't I look handsome? You didn't even say I look handsome. I know I look handsome.
You're handsome.
My mother would say I look handsome.
Business is booming, boss. Every athlete, college and pro, is shooting this stuff like it was bat juice.
Bat juice? What the hell are you talking about?
Bat juice. Like what Batman drinks for his superpowers.
Hey, Batman didn't have no superpowers, moron. He didn't drink no bat juice. You must be thinking about Popeye and his spinach. What do you keep wearing that stuff around here for? I told you, this ain't no Chippendales.
Whatever. The point is, we're setting on a gold mine. We got athletes crawling up our assholes begging for this stuff, even after that shitty thing that happened with Clay.
Well, I wouldn't worry too much about Clay.
What's that supposed to mean?
Shit happens. Sometimes for the better. hell's wrong with Kiko? He's losing his touch?
Money's coming in. It's just a little slower than usual.
Yeah. How much did you front him?
I'm telling you, a couple weeks ago, he was pumping the stuff out like it was Kool-Aid. I figured he was good for it. It made good business sense, you know it.
This ain't no goddamn loan company.
Jesus, Kevin.
All right. I'm gonna tell you what you're gonna do. You're gonna go find that little Mexican chihuahua. I want to hear what he has to say in person. Now, go take Sonny with you.
Oh, come on, Paulie, man. The kid's a screw-up.
All right. So he makes mistakes. But how else is he gonna learn, huh?
Crime doesn't come naturally to other people like it does to me and you, Kevin.
Kevin Thompson is Paulie's closest associate. Kevin's the one who used his contacts in wrestling to set up a steroid network, and he's our ticket to Paulie. He's also runs a couple legitimate businesses as covers. He's got a gym in the marina. He's also got a junkyard in Sun Valley.
You know, all that information's great, but when do we make contact?
When we say so. Walker put us in charge, so you'll operate according to our book.
Hey, stick the book up your ass. What is this, Bonnie Fife goes undercover?
Maybe you boys would like to curl up in a blanket and dream about a big shootout. Me and Pope will continue the boring surveillance, which actually makes cases and sends some people to jail.
By the time you guys moved, I'll have to wheel Paulie out of his retirement home to stand trial.
You know, you're right. Why don't we all four just dress up in costumes and go over there and kick the shit out of Kevin? And then do the same thing to Paulie. How's that sound, Cape Crusader? Or better yet, why don't we forget the costumes and I just come over there and kick the shit out of you?
You're just jealous I didn't offer you a drink!
Oh, fuck you. Where the hell's he going?
Oh, I know. I'm not his mother. You guys got anything to eat?
What can I get you?
Cranberry juice. And could I borrow that pencil and paper, please? Thanks. I'd like to order a bottle of Dom.
Yeah, right. Like this place carries Dom Perignon.
Well, the best you got, then. And send it with this note to the lady sitting over there. Tell her it's from the gentleman at the end of the bar.
I'm the one that's gonna have to clean up the mess.
You're an actress, aren't you? Act.
Now on your back. Take your shot. This is for you. I'm the guy at the bar.
Hey, Billy. Come on, man. Need some more nuts over here.
Yeah, you're gonna need some more nuts, buddy, when I'm done ripping yours off.
What's your problem, pal?
What's my problem? I'll tell you what my problem is, monkey face. I don't like big, muscle-bound gorillas trying to pick up on my old lady. That's my problem. But I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. Just because you were so good enough to buy us all a round of drinks, let me return the favor. That round's on us, buddy.
Doggy. Nice shot.
Hey!
I didn't ask for your help.
We better get out of here.
Who the hell are you?
I'm somebody who's got better things to do with his time than talking to a bunch of cops.
Hey, I had it under control here. Oh, man.
Going someplace, asshole? This ain't over yet, you fucking piece of shit. Come on, split his fucking head open. Come on, hit him.
Hey, batter up.
Nice move. I guess a little help was not such a bad thing. Come on, I'll buy you a drink.
Well, I hope the next place is not as rowdy as the last.
Yeah. Hey, man, I gotta go, okay? You take care. Have a good one. You made it.
How you doing?
Good. Nice wheels.
Thanks.
Come on in. I'll show you around. So what do you think?
Looks great.
Good. Hey, Kim, come here a minute. Meet Neil Farah. He just moved here from Vegas.
Hi.
Hi.
I want you to take good care of him.
We'll do that.
Fix him up with the deluxe membership. I gotta go work up them beers and corn nuts. Maybe later you can show me that move from last night, huh?
No problem.
See ya.
So, what move was that?
Oh, I showed him how to parallel park.
Really? Just sign there. And did you want personal training?
I don't know. Do I need one?
Well, if you want to get the best out of your workout, it'd probably be a good idea.
Yeah, great. I'll use anybody you want.
Get off!
What?
Get the fuck off! You didn't sign up, asshole!
What's your problem, buddy?
What? Watch this. Oh, shit.
You're the one that broke my friend's nose, aren't you?
It's unavoidable.
Yeah, I'm so tired of seeing behavior like that. It never solves anything.
As much as I hate it, I think it solved that problem.
Are you proud of it?
Now, why would you assume something like that?
It's obvious in your attitude.
I see you two have met. Marla, Neil.
Hi. So, what's the story on my trainer?
Well, you just met her. Marla's really made a big difference. And I wanted to thank you for paying for her.
No problem. Nothing but the best for you, darling.
And what do you expect from me?
Well, you could come over here and show me more of those new poses that you've learned. Horizontally.
Now, that could be tricky.
Tricky. I like. Those are very nice shoes. Are they comfortable?
Not really.
Well, good. You keep them on. Make me work harder to keep your mind off of them.
You are a silver-tongued devil.
Yes, yes. You remember that, huh?
How could I forget?
Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum. Yeah! Yeah! No one can beat me! Yeah!
Very impressive.
Baby, I love this shit. You see that kick? That's the one you taught me.
Look good. Sloppy, but effective.
Good? Hell, that was perfection. You better watch out, little man, because before long, I'm gonna know all your tricks.
I always keep a few tricks in reserve.
Me too.
What is that?
Chemical warfare.
Steroids.
You want a taste?
Hell no. I heard it makes your dick fall off.
You better watch out, little man, because that's bullshit. You want to take a peek? Don't believe everything you hear on TV, pal. You use this stuff the right way, you'll triple your strength, guaranteed. In this business, they come to see the biggest and the baddest. As long as I got my little edge here, that's gonna be me.
I got a friend of mine back east who's a trainer hooked into the NFL. Says he can never get enough of this shit.
Is that right? Well, then guess what? Today's your lucky day.
This is going way too fast.
Everything goes too fast, Theo. When'd you actually cop your first Theo? Your golden wedding anniversary?
Oh, fuck you.
No, fuck you.
No, fuck you in the ear.
No, fuck you!
No, fuck you!
Fuck you!
Fuck you!
Hey, this is an undercover operation, guys. Now, this initial buy works out. We're one step closer to Polly.
Yeah, well, how do we know this isn't a setup?
We don't.
Hey, he has brought us closer than we've ever
Oh,
been.
that's beautiful, Pope. That's really beautiful. Now you're on their side.
I'm siding with whoever gets Walker off our asses.
Hey.
What's wrong with you guys?
All right. Fuck it. I don't give a shit. Here, wear this.
Hey, I'm not wearing a wire.
Well, then you're not going in there at all. We do this according to proper procedure so that nobody walks on a technicality. And no innocent bystanders get killed again.
We might as well close shop right now.
Where's the bullseye on this thing?
Be careful, partner.
Then let's see what I'm buying. This isn't what we agreed on.
Nandrolone decanoate. Generic term for decadurablin. Very good stuff. At a bargain price that has Kevin the businessman kicking himself for being so gentle.
I think I might have to start joining in on some of that kicking. You sold me on a new human growth hormone, not this shit.
Let's see how this one goes first. A little trial run. Satisfied?
Yeah.
As a bonus, keep the car.
Neil the car collector, thanks you.
Come on, one more. 10.
Oh.
Great, good job, I got it.
Kim, you got a phone call, darling. 911.
Okay, you're a monster.
Excuse me. We got off on the wrong foot the other day. I think it was my fault.
Well, we agree on something.
Maybe I could take you to lunch. We get to know each other better.
You want to get to know me better?
Absolutely.
Okay. Meet me here. Tomorrow at 11. Oh, and dress casual.
I'll be there.
Telling you, man, this shit is the bomb. You want to be in the NBA, right? Yeah, I got 50, I got 100, I got 200. What's up? All right, that's my boy. Hey, what's up, man?
What I taught you? Knees down. Come on, one more time. Now remember how I taught you? Yeah.
Hey, chill, man. It's just a game. Not bad for an old guy. How about some 101?
Yeah, go ahead.
On. Good shot. Good shot. Good shot.
Let's go.
Good shot. Good
game,
move.
man. Good game.
So, I see you met my baby brother.
He taught me a few lessons.
Anytime, man. I gotta run.
Okay.
See you later, Marta.
All right. Home by 10, right?
Sure.
Lunch, he begged, as he showed her his terrible injury.
Okay. Give me 10 minutes.
You're right, Marla. If Oscar keeps training like that, he's got a real good shot at a basketball scholarship.
Thanks. You're a strange man, Mr. Farah.
Why? Because I showed up?
No, I figured you'd show up. Just wasn't sure you'd stay.
And that makes me strange?
Well, that and letting Oscar win at basketball.
What makes you think I let him win? He's good.
For one thing, on the way in here, you were limping on the wrong foot.
You know, you're a pretty strange one yourself. Professional trainer, assistant manager at the gym, volleyball teacher to inner city youth. A woman of many talents, as well as many jobs.
Yeah, well, this one isn't a job. I grew up in that neighborhood. Used to play at that same rec center. But I got lucky. I got an athletic scholarship, got an education. Basically, I got a chance to be happy.
Maybe the same thing will happen to some of the kids at the rec center.
Some. Not enough.
You know, it's still early. Maybe we could do something else.
Yeah, okay. I know what we could do.
Come on, ladies. They're ready for us. Let's go.
These are the finalists in the contest.
Who's gonna win?
It's too close to call. If you see something you like, by all means, take your best shot.
I see something I like, and I'm taking my best shot. I just don't know if I'm getting anywhere.
You still looking for a trainer?
Could be, if it's the right one.
Tomorrow morning, 6:30.
I train hard, Coach. You won't be sorry.
Yeah, you might.
Pain is my friend. I'm sorry, I gotta go. I'll see you in the morning.
Okay.
Hey, frickin' frack. What's going on here? I'm at the vet getting my cat defleed. I get an urgent beep. I don't get the cat dip. I'm gonna be scratching my balls for months.
We, tested the entire load.
So?
It was peanut oil.
What?
$50,000 worth of agency funds down the drain. Unless there's a law against selling peanut oil I don't know about. Now, I'm gonna have to check my Barney Fife manual, but I think it's probably gonna say we got screwed.
Hey, look, it's not your life on the line. It's been my balls over here.
Hey, Walker's gonna nail our asses to his office door just as a warning to other agents to stay the hell away from you two. That is, if they can find you two again after they reassign you to Guatemala.
You still get that Ford?
Fairlane?
Yeah.
Perfect.
What the hell are they doing?
I don't fucking know. What are you doing?
Doing? What is that? What the? What is it?
I want my money.
Okay. I'll set it up. Okay, I'll set it up.
catch.
He's trouble.
I don't know. Somebody sold me a load of bad shit, I'd be trouble too. So this is the guy, huh? The peanut oil lord of L.A. Nice shoes. Comfortable?
Not to the guy whose ass I'm kicking with them.
Yeah. I heard that about you. A regular Bruce Lee. Better than making drug buys.
You got my money or not?
Chill, brother, chill. Come on, huh? What is that about? You don't trust me? I'll tell you what. Why don't we just forget what happened, huh, man? I got all the stuff you'll ever need. Human growth hormones, Primabolian Depot, Winston tabs, all that kind of stuff. I mean, you and I can make some serious cash together.
That's a bold statement.
You interested?
Could be. Deal goes down my way.
All right. Let me hear it.
You front me the entire load. Checks out, you get paid.
You must be dreaming. I tell you what. When you come back to reality, you give me a call, you hear? You check him out, huh? Call Frankie in Las Vegas. You have somebody lean on Frankie. Make sure we get the whole truth, all right? What's this thing about? What's the deal with Keiko?
He's meeting us tonight to pick up more product.
What are you talking about? He has much more character on NYPD Blue. Like that whole tropical fish hobby of his. And he's got a sexy woman in his life.
What about
on that whole show, all he did was hang out with all those
What about
lowlives.
the David Caruso thing?
What are you talking about, David Caruso? David Caruso.
I couldn't. What is this?
Holy shit.
That son of a bitch, he did it. We're back in business.
Ladies and gentlemen, here's the moment we've been waiting for, the finals of the Men's Physique Championship. These guys are really primed and ready to go. Here we see Glenn Castle, one of the favorites, showing his tremendous muscle mass and size. I don't think I've ever seen him look better. We have Claude Groove from Canada in the middle and Aaron Baker on the left. You know, the bodybuilders are hitting their strong points now, showing the muscularity, the hardness, and the separation.
How's Kim?
Nervous. The men are almost done and she's first up for the women.
They're also showing a little bit of style.
Glenn looks great.
in the way they pose.
Yeah, he's worked really hard.
They're posing down for the
I know, it's still pretty hard to do on protein shakes and skinless chicken alone.
You know what? I gotta check on Kim.
The judges really have their work cut out. It's a great competition.
Welcome home, Neil. Let's take a ride.
Yo, Neil, I want to thank you for accepting the invitation to come to this party. My nephew here, he wanted to give a masquerade party. I said, hey, I mean, there's a lot of people in this business walking around with some kind of mask on. So I said, hey, you know what I'm saying? It'd be cool to give a anti-masquerade party so we can peel off some of those masks. Know what I mean?
I thought we were done doing business.
Yo, Sonny. Yeah. Hey, Uncle Paulie. Paulie. Easy.
Right on time. Now, the party can begin.
Hey, you want me to come with you?
Nah, man, I just gotta pick up the shit from Fat Boy and his queer nephew.
All right.
It's all good, just chill. Besides, he don't like too many witnesses when he's doing business, if you know what I mean.
Hey, yo, what up, man? Kiko in the house. Hey, what up, Sonny? How you doing, man?
Hey, watch the finger.
How you feeling, man?
Good to see you.
Hey.
Listen, I want you to help me understand something. I mean, I fronted you 300,000 of the best steroids on the planet, and after working 6 weeks, you bring me back 47 grand.
Hey, man, I've been busting my fucking ass putting your shit on the streets, man. My ass. You know what? I'm trying to tell you, man, you can't move this product too fast. The DEA is gonna be up my fucking ass. And you know what, Polly? Then they're gonna be up your ass. Know what I'm saying?
Tell me something, Neil. What Kiko is running down to me, is that the real deal? They're gonna be up my ass.
Not if you know what you're doing.
Who is this fucking asshole?
Oh, he's a job applicant, an executive in training, but back to me and you. Are you telling me that business is going to get better?
Absolutely, Polly. Guaranteed. You know me. It's all good.
Yeah, I know, man.
Yeah.
You know the problem with you, Venus amigo, is that you're always looking for a way to get back at Whitey for stealing your land. I mean, hey, that's just flat out racism, man. You can't live your life doing that. You know what I'm saying?
Think of all. Hey, fucking want your faggoty little wannabe nephew to live, you better back the fuck off! Back the fuck off! You know what the problem is with you, Polly? You think because I ain't a brother, man, I don't know what's up, man. I don't know what time it is. What time is it now, brother?
Ow, Kiko. You disappoint me, man. Jesus, I thought you were smarter than that.
Oh, God, I was shot. Oh, my God. Oh, God.
Sonny.
Hey, fuck, Polly, man. Come on, Polly, man. We've been doing good business together. Polly, man, it'll be better next time, dude.
Who shot me?
Sonny, how many times did I tell you not to stand so close to the mark, huh?
You're right. I'm sorry.
Man, shut up, huh? Stop all this goddamn whimpering. Kiko. Look, amigo, if you want to sink your teeth into another taco, give me la verdad, ahora!
I made 200 grand, man, the first month, but I put it back on the street in loans. I swear, Polly, I swear.
So what you're telling me is that while you stalling me, you're making all this interest on my money, right? Sonny!
What?
Listen up here. You might learn something. This is one smart hombre.
Please, Polly, man, I got all of it back, man. But what's the interest for you, man? You and me, man.
Yeah. Hold that thought. Okay.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Jimmy Snake Eyes. He just finished his chat with Frankie. Yo, Jimmy, what's up?
You find out what I wanted to know about this guy, Neil Farah? Oh, yeah? Yeah, that's cool. All right. Later. Kiko. Where's my cash?
My lady's got it, man. I swear, Polly.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man. It's all good, man.
Those are some nice shoes, man. What size are
they? 10.
Are they comfortable?
No, Polly.
you something personal about me. Why I'm so curious all the time about shoes. I mean, I have a problem with my feet. It's a bitch to find comfortable shoes. You know, when I was 10, my folks took me to the Bronx Zoo, man, where they had this pony ride. But I don't want to see no funky pony, man. I was afraid of the damn thing. Well, make a long story short, goddamn pony steps on my foot, man, breaks every bone. It's like applesauce. You know, I limped for 1 goddamn year, man. And that's why I have trouble with my feet. Because I have to have my shoes special made right here in L.A. by Mario Rinaldi. Looks like we got an opening in our organization. You interested?
Sure.
Welcome to the family. Go take care of his buddies. Take Sonny to the doctor, right? Oh, shit. Get up. All right. This is the way it's gonna come down, partner. Tomorrow you bring me back my 50 thou. I give you the real stuff. You move it all within 1 week. And I give you a bigger load. Deal?
For something this big, I'm gonna have to bring in my partner.
Partner. It's cool, man. Frankie told me all about it. No problem, no problem.
Can I get you a drink?
I let something happen tonight. Something that shouldn't have.
What?
I can't tell you.
You come over here obviously upset, but you won't let me help you? That's not fair, Neil. Could you have done anything to stop it?
No.
And give yourself a break. You confused me. I know you've been meeting with that Poly guy. And I know what kind of man he is. Maybe if it was just me, I wouldn't care. But Oscar's involved. He likes you too. I won't take any chances with his future.
I would never do anything to hurt Oscar. I'm not some crook who's out to make a quick score and blow town. You gotta trust me and believe me when I tell you. Polly's gonna regret we ever met.
Okay, I'll accept that, Neil. For now.
Hey, look. Hey, Dino, what are you doing over here? Hey.
Hey, Dave.
Say hello. Hey, say hello to my friend Neil.
Hey, Neil.
I'll see you later, all right? You take care of yourself. Say hello to the family.
Yeah, that's cool, but doesn't always come down that way, man. I mean, some chick and some dude, they meet, they hook up, they make a deal to go make whoopee in a hotel. They get busted. Take the same chick, same dude. They make a deal to make whoopee, but this time they do it in front of a camera. Somehow it's legal. I mean, not only that, but they start a whole new organization. I mean, what's with that, man? Why is one legal and one ain't?
I'll tell you why. Because most wives would rather have their men beating off the dirty pictures than banging the local whore at the neighborhood bar.
Excuse me, but actually, I believe the difference is that pornography is a product. Prostitution is a service. It's easier to tax a product.
Since when did you get so smart?
I think he just reads a lot of dirty books.
Hey, Uncle Paul, you can let these two talk to me like that? Come on.
Oh, come on. If it wasn't for the whores, you'd be engaged to your right hand. I owe you. You guys clear out. I'll take it from here. Check and see if any more idiots are out there. Stand up.
Tiny, take the shot.
Well, why can't I play?
Why? Because you need fingers.
That was a class act you did last night, my man.
Just protected my investment.
Yeah, but now you don't have to look over your shoulder anymore for Mondo.
In this business, you always gotta look over your shoulder.
Yeah, it's a fact. But with Mondo, at least you knew where you stood. It was all business. But with cops, nah, man, that's a whole nother thing. These guys walk around like tough guys, kissing politicians' ass, trying to get them elected, telling them I'm the bad guy. You know, like Bush, man. What is with this guy? What makes him such a great guy? He goes into Panama, he kicks Noriega's ass, even after doing business with him for all those many years. Huh? What does he do next? Send troops into Iraq to kick Saddam's ass for cutting off our Jones for oil. I mean, hey, man, I do the same thing. They send feds and snitches after me. I mean, what's that all about? Am I so bad? Hey, but look, man, hey, I get a little philosophical at times. It's cool.
We better be going.
Man, that boy Diggs is something. Man knows how to flip the script. Did you see that jacuzzi? That shit is fat, B-A-J-T.
What is it with you?
What are you talking about?
The clothes, the cash? What's up with all this?
The Alfano case last year, remember? We worked on it for 5 months, nearly got whacked twice. I mean, we take down a hit guy that kills 8 people. 2 of them kids. And we take them down good. We think, oh, Sparky's riding straight to hell. But no, the FBI steps in. Witness protection. I mean, he gets a new life to roll over on somebody else. And what do we get? Nothing. Just a bunch of shit.
So, wasn't the first time.
Yeah, that's my point, Neil. It wasn't the first time. It happens before, and it's gonna happen again. So when we go back to search for more evidence, I find some cash in envelopes.
How much? How much?
250,000, okay? Hey, I thought you knew about it and just didn't want to say anything. You know, I kept your piece aside in a safe deposit box. I figured at the right time you'd come to me.
That's bullshit. How could you do that?
How? Remember the bullet I took in my hand? Remember that? I hold my hand like this. For 10 seconds, I start shaking like a 90-year-old lady. The boss finds out I'm out of a job.
It'll get better.
Now, Doc says it can only get worse. I'm lucky I can still hold my own dick to take a piss. I'm glad I took that fucking money, okay? And if any shit comes down, you got nothing to do with it.
That's not the point.
Well, what is the point?
The point is there's a line between the good guys and the bad guys. Sure, we'd pretend to cross that line, but that was make-believe. Now it's real.
Hey, don't start that self-righteous bullshit with me, okay? When that little girl took a bullet, were you standing on the side of the angels? Hey, look, Neil, I'm sorry. That was a cheap shot, I know.
Forget it. Let's get the hell out of here.
Got good news for you, boss.
Oh, yeah? What's that? That was fast. Our new boys?
They want the next one to be a big one.
How big?
2 million.
2 million. Yeah, that is big. Anything that size, I better be on it myself. When can I get the cash?
They got it now.
Look, I'm sorry about...
Forget it. I was out of line, you know? It's none of my business.
What are you talking about, none of your business? If I was caught, they would automatically assume you had something to do with it. I mean, are you that stupid that I gotta figure out everything for you?
Yeah, I guess I am.
All right, well, got a little gift. The Pacoima Recreational Center for Kids. All right, now, is everything cool with us?
We're cool.
All right.
How's your hand?
One I got shot in is not too good, but this one, better than both my wives.
You're disgusting, you know that?
A lot of people tell me that. So, who set up the picnic lunch?
I hope this isn't a request for more money, DeMarco.
We don't need more money. I need your help. Polly's ready for the big one. We're gonna be moving fast from here on out.
Meaning?
I need more wiretaps.
Sure. We can probably get you more wiretaps by tomorrow.
Too late. By then, this whole thing could be over.
Look, DeMarco, without a court order, anything we heard we couldn't use anyway.
We won't need it. We'll have enough evidence without it.
Why don't we just bring him in for murdering Keiko? You're a witness.
No good. My word against theirs. My bet is there's no body and a half a dozen witnesses that'll swear he's in Mexico visiting his family.
Why don't you just do what the fuck he's telling you to do?
Well, I'm sorry, but we're not going to commit a felony for you, so how else do you want to proceed with the case?
What case?
Fucking jerk-offs.
What?
Nothing.
Damn!
Hey, lady, need a lift?
Damn thing won't start again. How many times do I have to take it to the goddamn shop?
Relax, Marla. I'll call a tow truck. Come on, I'll give you a ride. What's wrong, Marla?
Nothing.
This can't be about the car.
I found these in Oscar's bedroom. They were hidden in his basketball shoes.
I'll take care of it.
Most of the kids on the team are taking them.
Look, I'm not saying steroids are poison, but they're illegal and dangerous. And you know, there are other ways that won't break Marla's heart.
What do you want me to do? Huh? I got a dream.
I want you to figure out what's really important. When you do, let me know.
Get rid of these for me?
As you're still with Neil. I don't know, there's just something sneaky about that guy. I mean, yesterday, I see him go into Kevin's office with a briefcase in his hand. And when he leaves, he's not carrying it.
You know what, Kim? I appreciate the concern. I really do. But everything's fine. Yeah, I know he has secrets. But he swore to me he has nothing to do with anything illegal, and he's gonna prove it to me tomorrow night. So, there you have it. Satisfied?
How's it going?
We're in.
How does it feel to break the law?
Too damn good.
I hear you boys are pretty ambitious.
I think we proved we're more than just talk.
Yeah, that you did. But moving 50 grand worth of stuff is one thing. Moving 2 million is a whole nother ball game. Difference between college and professional football. You boys ready for the pros?
And Neil, you believe this guy? We don't need no pep talk. We are pros.
All right, that's cool. Let's make a deal. How fast can you get the 2 million cash?
Tomorrow.
Yeah, right. That fast, huh?
Yeah, that fast. We got some backers that are pretty impressed with our sales potential. It's their cash.
Well, I don't care whose it is today, as long as it's mine tomorrow. I tell you what, once you get the cash in hand, you give me a call. Then I'll tell you the warehouse where the product is located, okay?
Good enough.
My man, bring your own truck.
I don't get it. I mean, Marla's my friend.
Mm-hmm.
I was just trying to help her out, and she blows me off.
Yeah. Well, she could do worse than a guy like Neil.
Marla's not cut out for the dangerous type.
And you,
Yes, I am.
Does that mean that, what's yours is mine and what's mine is mine, right?
See, at least with you.
Yeah.
I know who you are and what you do.
Yeah, right.
But this Neil,
Mm-hmm.
I mean, he's just lying to her.
Yeah.
Swears he's not into anything illegal. Says he's gonna prove it to her tomorrow night.
You wanna run that by me one more time?
Says that he's not into anything illegal and he's gonna prove it to her tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night. Kevin!
What's up?
There's something fishy about Neil.
I knew it. He's a cop. Now what?
Payback time.
Oh, can't we just be couch potatoes all day?
I wish.
What's the matter?
I can't reach my shoe. Thank you. Oh, that's him.
Aw.
I gotta go. I'll see you tonight.
Tonight all secrets will be revealed, right?
I made reservations at Shay J's.
Oh, hang on. I'll go with you. I gotta run to the store and get more coffee. I didn't realize what a caffeine fiend you are.
Great, you can meet Dave.
Hi.
Hi.
Dave?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. How you doing?
Good, thanks.
I hate him now. You know why? Because I'm not him.
And you're exactly like Neil told me you were.
I know, handsome.
Yeah. Okay. Can I have the keys?
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Bye.
Bye.
Nice meeting you.
She is fantastic.
Hey, Uncle Poly, shouldn't we just leave it? I mean, what if the cops are there?
Listen, I'm not leaving $2 million behind. I'd rather leave you behind. Let's get out of here.
You cannot barge in there without a warrant. Even if you arrest them, they'll go free.
Who said anything about arresting anybody?
Oh, that's beautiful. Vigilantes. Well, if you kill somebody, you're gonna go to jail. And Pope and I are gonna testify against you, right, Pope?
I don't know.
Man.
Look, I understand your position on this. If I was in your shoes, I'd do the same damn thing. Just tell Walker what happened. I'll back up whatever you say.
Stop! Shit. If you're gonna do this, do it right. All right, you wanna play? We're gonna play. Here, you take that.
Got some more bullets?
You want bullets too? Here. Here, you take this. There, you take that. Here, take that. I'm gonna take this. Where do we start?
You three take Polly's house. Kevin's mine.
No. You can't do this one alone.
This one I can.
There's nobody here.
I know there's nobody here. If there was somebody here, they'd be dead now. All right, let's get out of here.
Let's go, horse meat.
Hey, Jack! Hey, Jack, where the hell are you, man?
own tricks now.
Where's Polly? David and I will go in through the loading docks. You guys go around back.
Go ahead.
Well, I think we should call him back.
You know, I'm glad it wasn't you in that car. Now I get to do it personally. Shit. You know, you're pretty slippery, you know that? Come on, get some of this, huh? Come on.
All right. You can do this. You can do this.
Show me something. That ain't shit. Show me something. Show me something, huh?
Oh, man, this shit stinks. Let's get out of here.
Show me the goddamn gun!
Nice shoes. Comfortable? Goodbye. You're supposed to learn from your mistakes. Isn't that right, Uncle Paulie? God damn you, sonny! Take care of that. Come on, I got you. I got you.
You guys all right? We're fine. You check for survivors. We'll go downstairs for Polly.
I'm calling for backup.
This fucking guy.
I don't know. They look dead to me.
This one's alive. Come here, piece of shit.
It's a lot of money here.
How much?
We're not talking about 250 grand anymore. It's gotta be close to $1 million here. We're talking about retirement in the Bahamas. No more walkers, no more Paulies. Every time my hand shakes, I can just lift a martini.
Hey, come on, don't do this, Dave.
Why'd I know I was gonna hear that from you? Okay.
You all right?
Am I all right? Every time I get shot, you ask, am I all right? No, I'm not all right. It fucking hurts. You want me to carry the money?
No, that's okay.
Oh, man, we gotta get out of this, I'm telling you. If I tell you something, we took down them bucking farmers.
What is it with you and the farmers all the time?
The farmers, you know what it is. I mean, it's not that I have a hatred for them. They're just stupid, you know? I mean, the way they dress with them overalls and their hats and that. You ever been on a farm? You know, with the corn, and there's nothing a fucking... They call soda pop, these idiots. Do you understand? Do you see... You go into a store, it says club soda, not club pop. They're 200 years behind the times. I'm telling you something. And another thing, you see them on the news every time it fucking rains. Every time, well, we're flooded again. Yeah, you're fucking flooded. The flood comes every year. And you're in your little fucking boat over there in a Canuck, whatever. Move, you asshole, stupid ass. You know what we should do? We should start a card company. Yeah, just for farmers, like for Thanksgiving. God bless the bean and fig. Your mother is a big, fat, fucking suckling pig. and then the New Year's card. The old year is gone. Oh, how time does fly. To you and your family, I hope you all die.
Scratch my back, scratch my back. cat.